Good morning!
Morning, guys.
Today is our anniversary, guys. Happy anniversary, babe!
I can't believe I lasted that long. That shows perseverance,
Patience,
determination,
all the battle that we
pinch of
fought.
craziness.
Happy anniversary to us. Thank you guys so much. We've been there since day one for our YouTube channel. So we decided to vlog today because of you guys. And yeah, it's our 4 years today. How do you feel?
Damn years. How many days is 4 years? 365 per 4.
Maybe we'll do a relationship tips or like how we met story, our official video how we met in this video later in today's vlog, but we'll see. But yeah, we're vlogging today. We don't know what we're doing today. Right now we're just enjoying our coffee.
Croissants, delicious.
We just uploaded a picture on Instagram as well, so if you guys don't follow us on Instagram, wow, this camera is so nice. I'm
Is it
vlogging.
making my skin look good?
Yeah, I'm vlogging with my iPhone, by the way, you guys. This is so nice. I'm gonna be vlogging my iPhone all the time. Today we're just enjoying our coffee. We're watching some movie. We just literally woke up. Okay, guys, we're ready to go out. I don't know what we're doing today, but we're just gonna enjoy the fall weather outside. It's a little bit cold already, but we just changed. This is OOTD. I'm wearing all blue. I don't know why. I don't normally wear blue, but whatever. I don't care.
Whatever. It's fine.
Fabio's outfits. So we're gonna take you with us today. We still don't know where we're gonna go, you guys. We're just gonna literally enjoy the day, maybe grab something to eat outside, enjoy our anniversary, but we're gonna take you with us wherever we go today. So stay tuned.
The struggle of the shoes of my life. Let me put some color just to be a bit healthier.
Oh my gosh!
This handle is really not normal.
How did you put it back in?
I did put it back in. Look at that.
Guys, our handle.
This is so crazy.
Poor house.
Like it's really.
We need to tell them and complain. Fabio's so glowy.
I think so.
The lips.
It's
wow.
beautiful. Oh, the lips.
Yeah.
Put lip balm.
Did you put VT Cosmetics?
I did. Look at that.
Wow.
Look how beautiful that face.
Okay guys, so we're now out about on the street. We are gonna go to Kensington Market here in Toronto.
Yeah, I'm very excited because I need to show off that Yani cut my hair today.
Yes.
He messed it up a bit, but it's okay.
Yes.
It's
And we're just gonna enjoy this fall weather. It's outdoor Kensington Market. There's a lot of fruits markets and enjoying the cold, crisp weather.
It's very crispy today.
It's very
But
crispy.
it's sunny,
That's
so
why I
it's
love fall. That's why I love fall. It's sunny, but the weather is cold and the air is like crisp.
nice. Yeah, I don't
Crispy.
like it.
I love it.
Hot,
Sweaty, hot. But fall is cute, romantic, nice, sun is shining. Let's go!
And today is our anniversary. Can you believe?
Anniversary! 4 years, bitch.
How crazy do we have to be together?
Should we
4
tell them
years?
later in this vlog how we met? Like our love story?
I
So stay
already
tuned later.
repeated myself 5 times at least. about
Stay
how-
tuned later how we met and about our love story.
I was saying that I would love to live in Toronto from June until October and then peace the hell out for the rest of the year.
Because
Winter, brutal. But the rest, you know, Toronto is such a beautiful city.
It
I would
is.
love to have a place here, like
Yeah.
an apartment or a home here.
yeah.
Not with the handles that are like popping out. Let's
We'll
put it
see.
out there. Let's put it out
Yes.
there. We'll have a home here in Toronto.
A home in Italy.
Downtown and a home in Italy. Well, that we already have.
I'm scared of birds. I'm terrified of birds. Terrified. Such a beautiful day today. It's not too hot, not too cold. Perfect
beautiful.
weather.
Yeah, it's so perfect actually.
Look at the quality of this iPhone. We're here. We made it to Kensington Market. Every single time we walk, all we could talk about is our travel next year. Alright guys, we found this Mexican restaurant. We're sitting down and it's so cute because they have blankets because it's cold weather, right? Yeah. You. It's nice cold weather.
Yes, please. So we're gonna get this one.
Right guys, food is here. I can see the smoke in the video.
Amazing. You can taste the veggies, you can taste the chicken. And I love this one.
Nice warm soup in the cold weather.
Nice and warm, it's so good.
And there's meat inside.
It looks so good.
It's salty, it's savory, but it's not too salty. Mexican food is good. I love the salsa, Spanish music. Weather is good. Life is good. We're gonna
So
eat now,
lucky.
guys, and we're gonna update you later. Food was delicious. How was your food?
It was
Fabio?
so amazing. Honestly, guys, like it was so tasteful,
Tasty.
so good.
Delicious. Some wow, adjective. English.
I learned this
wow.
from Gaz. So now, as usual, we're getting some coffee and we're just gonna walk around, enjoy the city, and enjoy this beautiful weather.
Never mind, that coffee has a very long lineup, so now we're going to a different coffee.
Because I wasn't about to do 20 minutes long.
Yeah, so we're trying this coffee here. I think it's mostly dessert.
Hey guys, so we came back from our nice walk and Yani got some Japanese cake.
I got some Japanese cheesecake, Uncle Tetsu. I don't know if you guys know that brand.
It's actually delicious, but I don't feel like it. We ate so much.
So before we end the video, we decided to make a story, like what we said earlier, to do a story of how we met. Pretty much our love story. We kind of did some videos already in the past, but for the new viewers, this is gonna be like a mukbang / storytelling of how we met, our love story. Because it's our anniversary today, and we're sharing it with you guys. That smells good. What is it?
It is. It's David's tea. Tranquility.
Guys, this Japanese cheesecake, it is gonna be a quick video. So how did we meet, Fabio? Do you wanna start the story? There's always two sides of the story. His side is different, mine is different. Should I go first or you go first?
So we met about 4 years ago, a little bit over 4 years ago. And
I'll stop the story when I hear lies.
And basically, it was a house party. A friend of mine invited me over. I was not gonna go, but then last minute I decided to go. And Yanni's friend was invited too. Yanni was not invited.
I was not invited.
But he decided because he's like that, he just goes.
But my
care.
friend was invited, so I was going. Yeah.
So yeah, when we got there, I had a little bit of wine, like a full bottle, on my
A
own.
little bit.
And that's it. Then I saw Yanni, and it was like amazing.
Did you actually think that was amazing?
No, I thought you were very Asian.
Really?
Yes, because you had the ponytail.
The hair.
You look like a samurai.
Yes.
Jeez.
The ponytail.
Yeah.
That was the ponytail man bun time.
Yeah.
It was popular before. So I was trying to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then what?
Then you can continue from there.
And then I saw him and I was like, oh, like he's kind of cute. But I didn't really pursue because my friend was into him. Because my friend likes blue eyes, blonde, white people. So, and he was making out with him already. I'm like, okay, whatever. Yeah, I was ready to go home. I was not
making out with him.
You were.
Let's say he forced me.
But you said yes. In every force, there's a no. You can say no. You have
That's
options.
true. I said nothing.
I said nothing. And then I was not gonna go too. I was planning to meet up with other friend in a different club. But then when I was at the party, I was said goodbye already because I was ready to leave, and then Fabio stopped me and said, "Oh my God, you're leaving already? Add me on Facebook." Why did you do that? Did you really think I was cute?
I just wanted more friends on Facebook, just to show.
Just to be popular.
Yeah.
Numbers. So I left, and then I forgot the next day that I added him on Facebook. The way I added him on Facebook, I just gave him my phone. I said, "Oh, here, add yourself." So he typed his name, and then that's it. And then later, we didn't speak for 2 weeks after the party.
Yeah, for a good month, probably. And then all of a sudden, one day, I see that someone tagged me on a picture.
Yeah,
it was
because
like a group picture.
Because
It
I was
so cute.
I was scrolling through my photos, and then I saw a group photo from that night, which I forgot that we took as well. And then I posted it, and I tagged him because I remember his name. I'm like, "Oh, we're friends." I forgot that we were friends. And then I tagged him, and then we started conversation on message.
And that's it. Then we went on a date, and
No, it wasn't a date. He used me because he found out I was a photographer.
It's true.
He found out I was a photographer.
No, wait. You told me that you were a photographer on our date. So then I used you after.
Right. So because we went for a coffee first.
We went on a coffee date, because we realized we were neighbors. We literally lived across the street from each other. So we went on a date at a coffee shop down the street, and when I saw him, I was like, "Holy shit, he's rough."
Why?
Because he had a cold. Like his face was all red, it was all dry.
I had a cold. It was dry face. Dry
was like-
season. It was winter. Like this, it was fall.
I was like, "Oh, he doesn't look like what I remember." Wow. Must have been really good wine.
But then when I told him I was a photographer, he used me, and I also used him because I was looking for models too and stuff.
So we went on a second date where we did a photo shoot together,
and we ate Thai food after.
and then it ended up being a lunch, and then dinner, and then so on for 4 years.
And the rest is history.
Why are you eating in the middle of?
I don't know.
You're so
Look at guys.
He made a hole.
I made a hole in the middle.
Of the cake.
I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, that's it. That's pretty much how we met. So our tip and advice is,
If you find a photographer,
if you're looking for someone, your boyfriend, or if you're looking for a girlfriend or a boyfriend, stop it. Do not look for them. Love happens when you not expect it. When you expect it the least.
where did you read this?
No, it was just me. I didn't read anything. So it's true. Like, don't expect anything. Like, my tip is whatever you love doing. If you like to go dancing, if you like to go to the mall, if you like to go to the library, read books, continue your passion, continue what you like to do, and then that someone will just come while you are doing your passion. Because if you look for them and you're forcing yourself to look for them, it's kind of like, oh yeah, he's look. But like, if you're not looking, wait till they find you ish, kind of. I don't know what I'm saying.
Exactly.
Anyway, don't look for them. They always happen and
Just let it be. Just let it be.
Let it be.
There we go. So this is how we met, guys. But
That's
you
it.
probably knew this already if
They
you
knew
watched our previous videos, because we said this story about 5 or 6 times already.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna enjoy some tea, some cake, Yani, obviously. And that's it.
That's it. Thank you for watching.
See you next time.
Thank you for people who have been there since 10K subscribers, 20K subscribers, 50K. Many people have been messaging. Comment below.
You guys are so sweet.
Comment below, when did you start subscribing to us?
Yeah, comment below
Yeah.
if you remember. And we'll see you all next time.
Bye guys!
Bye.